So today we are going to solve this equation. Mod of sin x equals to sin x plus 1. So we are going to look for the solutions. Does it exist or not? इसके solutions अगर exist करते हैं तो कितने, how many? So how to proceed? So what we will do is case 1. As we know, we can break the mod in two parts. Suppose this is more than 0. This implies mod of sin x equals to what? Sin x. Now with the help of this, solve it. So we are getting 0 equal to 1, which is not possible, absurd. And therefore when sin x will be more than 0, no solution exists. In this case, case 1, no solution exists. Now we are going to see for case 2. Even you can include 0 as well. Check 0 here, put 0. Sin 0 is what? 0. Sin 0 is 0. 0 plus 1, 0 not. So you can include this. When sin x is more than equal to 0, no solution exists. No solution exists. Case 2. If sin x is less than 0, mod of sin x will be equal to minus sin x. Now put this value here in the original equation. What we are getting? Sin x equal to minus sin x equal to sin x plus 1. Simplify it, bring the like terms to the same side. So we are getting 2 sin x equals to minus 1. Sin x equals to minus half. Now it is in the form of a trigonometric equation. So just by applying trigonometric rules, we are going to solve this. The minimum value at which sin theta is minus half is we can write it like this: minus sin theta equals to sine of minus theta. Now sin x equal to sine of minus theta. So what will be its general solution? Its general solution is given by x equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to the power n times this theta, where n belongs to z. Z is what? Z is set of positive integers. No, Z is set of integers. So just, and it can also be written like this: where n belongs to z, where z is an integer. So finally this is the solution. Case 1, no solution exists. Case 2, solution does exist, and that too infinite many solutions exist. Do like, share, subscribe and comment.